Today we're going from standard halogen globes in our foggies to super white LED globes. One problem is the original fittings of the halogen globes don't fit these LEDs because the back of the globes are too deep for that to sit over, as you can see here. It's a bit longer at the back, so we're going to get rid of those old ones and make some new ones ourselves. You can make them out of any spring steel. I used clips off some old headlights that I had laying around, so I just pulled them out. You just bend them around, cut them to size so that they're going to fit around the globe, and they'll fit on the old seats where the original retaining clips came from. That's sort of a draft there. Only other drama with it is LEDs only have one wire coming from it, so you've got to earth it. These will earth through the body, so I'm going to solder them to the clips that I've made, as you can see right there. Just soldered them on there. The clips are already in the shape that I wanted, easy enough to get on and off. Pretty easy to put on. You just slip the flat side there under the pivot point from the original clip, and you just push them down and they'll hold your bulbs in place using the original little retaining hooks there. So as you can see, nice and tight, sitting firm. Got your earth wire on there as well. Bang, ready to reassemble and put back on the car. When you want to put them back on, you get your rubber boot. Make sure you've got the top of your foggies in the right orientation, and you have that little tube coming out the bottom, as you can see there. So yeah, just push that on like that. Slide it all back through the fog light retainer, making sure that it's up the right way. Put the rubber boot through the hole in the retainer. You'll hear it snap back into place, and pretty much there you have it. You've got your foggies converted to LEDs if you like that nice white light instead of the horrible yellowy tinge of the halogen globes. When you put this back together, you want to make sure that the rubber boot is actually seated properly and everything. You'll see in a minute when I flip this over. It's just a matter of making sure it's poking out through the hole where it's meant to be. But there you go, it's all snapped back into place. If the boot's not coming out all the way, just grab your pointy nose pliers and grab hold of it, pull it out a little bit more to make sure that it's all seated properly, and there you go. As you can see there, just give it a bit of a wobble, pull them through. You got your two wires at the back all ready to go back in and be hooked up on your car, which in this case was a BA Falcon. Got the original wiring loom there, just plug the positive wire onto the positive, negative onto the negative, and you're good to go. Just a matter of whacking it back in. Might want to test, make sure it all works okay before you put everything back together, but I'm pretty confident that's going to work. So there you go, change to LED.